Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Thursday, November 7th, 2019. It is also Parent-Teacher Conference Night. In math, we've got practice 3.6. Honors Math has a Chapter 3 review because their test is tomorrow. Make sure you complete that review because it's going to be very similar to what the test is. Everyone also needs to make sure they've completed their 30 minutes of MobyMax by Friday. There's quite a few of you that have already gotten it done, which is awesome. In science, we've got an element worksheet, two-sided, called Great Combinations, that we need to get done. In social studies, there is no homework. In language arts, we need to bring earbuds. That is optional for Free Write Friday tomorrow. And then on Monday, we need to try to wear red, white, and blue for our veterans. We have that Veterans Day assembly down in the auditorium, or down in the high school gymnasium, actually. In literature, half our AR points are due on Monday, November the 11th. And we also have our vocab test that was moved from tomorrow to next Wednesday, November 13th. We've had this on here for at least the better part of the last week. There's no reason you should not be preparing at home so that you are fully ready to go and take that test next week. In CNL and FCS, there is no homework. That is it for this evening. Everyone have a fantastic Thursday.